LB Processors is proud to be the leading producer of high-quality emu oils and emu oil-based products for the face, hand, and body. All of our products are all natural, and we produce many of our products at our FDA-registered state-of-the-art facility in Chapmansboro, Tennessee. Our entire range of retail products is available through our Country Divine line on emuoil.com, our newest site, which replaced lbemuoil.com. Moreover, we offer wholesale pricing on bulk orders and private labeling to those who wish to become resellers of our emu oils and other great products. Emu oil is great for the hair, skin, and nails, offers hydrating moisture, and is all natural. Moreover, our products are free of soy, gluten, and parabens. And we sell emu oil that is certified by the American Emu Association to be free of these ingredients. Browse our great selection of products online and contact us for help with your order at 615-746-8485.